Have you ever met a complete stranger from another continent who shared tea in a moment of full presence, peace, and serenity with you, knowing that you're probably never gonna see each other again? Last summer, I received a very exciting birthday surprise and had a chance to learn how to properly make matcha tea when Kikuno, a practitioner of tea ceremony from Kyoto with 17 years of experience, had a stop in LA. She hosted a little group ceremony and I wanted to share how it went with you guys. Today is June 16th and it's officially my birthday. I mean, I was born in Belarus, so it was yesterday, I guess. It is very exciting. Today is a nice sunny day. Yeah, I dressed up and did my eyeshadow in the color of my dress. It's one of my favorite dresses that I got in Little Tokyo here in LA. I'm wearing this just because the cleavage is just too much, you know. I cannot put that on the internet. Not for free. The next day we had a flight to Greece, so I didn't want to celebrate or gather with friends since we had so much stuff to do and suitcases to pack. But my boyfriend surprised me and didn't tell me where we're actually going. We drove to Culver City and arrived at this big, beautiful Renaissance home built in 1910, and it's basically a spiritual center, place for meditation and retreats. It has an Asian-style garden, and when we were entering, there were people waiting for the tour.
Jeanette will let you in there. Thank you so much.
This is a lovely experience. I got to have tea with her a couple days ago.
It's so beautiful here.
Thank you. Kikuno, you have two guests. Come on in. Hello.
Thank you.
Please. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us.
My name is Kikuno Hyodo. I'm from Kyoto, Japan. Your name?
Lilia.
Lilia. This is called a tea box chabako, and this is portable utensil. Cha means tea, and hako means box. And inside, this is a tool for making matcha.
Wow, so beautiful.
Thank you.
Very pretty.
Tea box. My husband is wood craftsman. He made this box.
Wow.
I always carry this chabako, my backpack, and journey around the world making tea for people all over the world. I started my activity chabako journey 2 years ago. Very light and soft.
Very light. Yeah. Can I ask you what kind of wood this is?
Polonia tree, Polonia box.
Okay. Cool. Sound beautiful.
This is portable picnic set, so small teacup and small tea whisk. I always carry. Hi. My activity name is Chabako Journey. The reason when I do this kind of activity is because I love meeting people. My life is made up encounter and adventure. What's exciting me the most thinking about what kind of people I will meet, what will happen today. お茶を一服差し上げます。I will give you a cup of tea.
Kikuno slowly unveiled her tools and very thoroughly cleaned her bowl with a whisk and then added some matcha powder. It was so quiet you could hear the pin drop.
Now I will introduce etiquette to drinking tea and sweets. And in the tea ceremony, we eat sweets or fast and then drink tea. There are two reasons. First, if you eat sweet, a slight sweetness remains in your mouth. Therefore, you can drink matcha more deliciously. Second, matcha, a lot of caffeine. It's very irritating to the stomach. So the purpose of having sweets before matcha to eat is the bottom.
She gave us the sweets higashi, which are basically candy. They're very, very crunchy, and because it was so quiet, you could hear every bite.
So, we lift up the bowl to express the appreciation. Turn the table clockwise twice. Please enjoy your tea.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My boyfriend actually doesn't drink matcha, and I was concerned that he's not gonna like it since there's no milk or sugar.
Does it?
Very good.
Amazing.
Oh, amazing! Wow, I'm glad.
But matcha surprised both of us. It was very smooth, without any bitterness, and very, very easy to drink. You didn't even want to add anything to it. It was perfect.
I drink here. Clean a tea bowl, a finger. After clean my finger, 開始。で、counterclockwise.
I like this one.
One, two, three.
Do I press?
No, it's okay.
It's already. 1, 2, 3.
And hold the tea ball left hand. Next, slowly, slowly, slowly. This also weights the whisk, so it becomes more flexible.
Nice.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. After, lift up the middle to find the same position. After middle, 2 times. 1 gram, 2 gram, then 2 gram. 1, 2, 2 times.
1, 2, 3.
Take that middle. Louis, their signature. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be able to spend.
Thank you.
This is Japanese calligraphy pen.
When did you come to LA?
May 24
Mm-hmm.
until June.
Mm.
June 24.
Mm-hmm.
Please come to our tea ceremony, Japan tea shop from Kyoto.
Of course.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
This means ichigo, ichie. Once time, once chance, once meeting.
Yes.
This is my name, Kikuno. Kikuno means chrysanthemum in English.
Wow.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Who's this guy?
They were all born handicapped. We think there may have been as many as 7 because there's 5 little cherubs there, and then the 2 in the picture. Mrs. Glasty had her husband build a lot.
We liked it. Yeah, it was very good.
Great.
Yeah, it was very soft. Yeah, not bitter at all. Very nice. Ooh, what is this?
That's ceremonies.
It was kind of surreal to live this tea ceremony and go back to a loud Western stream of consciousness and environment. I realized how much I rush in my everyday life. I never take care of my tools, utensils, and food with the care that Kikuno and the Japanese people do. It feels almost embarrassing to come to that conclusion and admit how much of my life isn't slow or mindful. I practice meditations and I try to find space for silence, but it happens very rarely nowadays, especially when you live a very fast and neurotic lifestyle like I do. Thank you. So pretty. Glass. Pistachio ice cream. I'm very grateful for this experience, and it taught me some things I didn't know about making matcha, even though I've seen online content about it. I'm not the biggest matcha connoisseur, and I can easily live without it. It's not coffee. I'd never give up coffee, but I think I could give up matcha. But I've been making it at home for the past 2 years, and I love it. And when I will run out of my current jar of matcha powder, I want to try better brands and get the closest taste to what I had at this tea ceremony. Something from Kyoto, maybe? Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.